Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 FS 5G, and in this video I will show you how to fix the problem if your Wi-Fi isn't working on the smartphone. First thing that you can do with it is slide down the control center and then try toggling your Wi-Fi by tapping this icon once, then tapping it again to turn the Wi-Fi on, or alternatively you can toggle the airplane mode by switching this icon on and off. Then check if your Wi-Fi connection has improved or at least appeared on your phone, and if it didn't, then go to more Wi-Fi settings by tapping this icon right here, then selecting more settings, then try to forget this network by selecting it, selecting forget, remove, find it once again and enter the password to it to reconnect to it. Then once you reconnect to it, check if this solved your issue, and if it didn't, don't worry, you can restart your router and your phone, and hopefully this will help. So if you have access to your router, restart it before your phone, then press the power button and the volume up key at the same time and select restart. Wait until your phone is rebooted and then check the Wi-Fi connection once again. Okay, now if this didn't help, then the last step before contacting your internet provider and asking them if there is maybe a problem on their side, because this usually is very helpful in such situations. The last step before we do that is going into settings, selecting system and update, then go to backup and reset, select reset phone, then select reset network and Bluetooth settings, confirm by clicking reset. And once the network reset is completed, you have to go back to the settings, open Wi-Fi, reconnect to the Wi-Fi that you've been connected to, and check if it works for you. And I hope that at this point your problem is resolved. If not, once again contact your network provider and ask if there is a problem on their side. And to even make your network connection even better, you have to go to system updates, software updates, and check if you have any updates for your device. And if your device does detect any updates, then take your time to download and install them to make sure that your software works in touch with your hardware. And that's how you solve this problem. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.